Looking elegant has very little to do with expensive clothes or luxury brands. True elegance often comes from the small details, the way you style yourself, the colors you wear, your grooming, your posture, and the way you carry yourself every day. Welcome to Studio Elegance, and I'm really happy you're here. In today's video, we'll talk about simple yet powerful ways to look more elegant and classy in everyday life, without trying too hard or completely changing your personal style. So let's begin. Number 1, wear colors that look soft and put together. One of the easiest ways to look elegant is choosing soft and balanced colors. Outfits usually look more classy when the colors are not fighting with each other. Neutral shades, soft pinks, beige, white, gray, black, navy blue, olive, brown, or pastel tones often give a cleaner and more polished vibe. And honestly, simple color combinations usually look more expensive than overly bright or chaotic outfits. Even a basic outfit can look elegant when the colors feel calm and coordinated. Number 2, fit matters more than price. A simple outfit that fits properly will almost always look better than expensive clothes with poor fitting. If sleeves are too loose, jeans are awkwardly long, or clothes don't sit properly on your body, the whole look can feel messy. Elegant style is usually neat, clean, and well-balanced. You don't need designer clothes. You just need clothes that fit you comfortably and look structured. Sometimes even a plain white top and jeans can look classy with the right fit. Number 3, keep your hair neat and soft. Hair changes your entire appearance. And elegant hair doesn't mean complicated hairstyles. Even simple hair can look beautiful when it looks clean, brushed, and cared for. Soft waves, neat buns, simple ponytails, or healthy natural hair usually give a more polished vibe. Frizzy or messy hair can sometimes make even a good outfit look unfinished. So taking care of your hair honestly makes a huge difference. Number 4, less is often more. A lot of people think looking classy means adding more accessories, more makeup, more details. But elegance is usually the opposite. Too many accessories, overly heavy makeup, or extremely busy outfits can sometimes take away that soft, elegant feeling. Simple jewelry, clean makeup, and balanced styling often look much more sophisticated. When everything is minimal and intentional, your overall appearance automatically looks more refined. Number 5, clean shoes and details matter. Small details matter more than people think. Wrinkled clothes, dirty shoes, chipped nails, or a messy bag can affect the overall look, even if the outfit itself is nice. Elegant people usually pay attention to cleanliness and grooming. You don't need perfection. Just looking fresh, neat, and organized already makes a huge difference. Number 6, find a soft signature scent. A soft signature scent is like an invisible accessory. You may not notice it immediately, but it changes the way people remember your presence. Fresh, clean, soft floral, powdery, or warm scents usually feel more elegant than extremely strong perfumes. And honestly, smelling fresh instantly makes you feel more put together and confident. You don't need an expensive perfume either. Just find a scent that feels soft, clean, and you. Number 7, Improve your posture and body language. The way you carry yourself matters a lot. Good posture, calm movements, and confident body language can make someone look elegant even in the simplest clothes. Standing straight, avoiding rushed movements, and speaking calmly creates a very graceful vibe. And honestly, confidence without arrogance is one of the most attractive things ever. Elegance is not only about appearance, it's also energy. Number 8, don't follow every trend. Trends come and go very quickly, but classy style usually stays timeless. You don't have to buy every trending item or copy every aesthetic online. Instead, focus on finding styles, colors, and outfits that genuinely suit you. When you wear things that feel natural and comfortable to you, you automatically look more confident and elegant. Number 9, take care of yourself consistently. Real elegance comes from self-care and consistency. Drinking water, sleeping properly, skincare, hair care, hygiene, and taking care of your mental peace, all of these reflect in your appearance. You glow differently when you genuinely take care of yourself. And honestly, elegance is not about becoming someone else. It's about becoming a softer, more polished version of yourself. At the end of the day, elegance is not about perfection, trends, or looking expensive all the time. Sometimes, it's simply about looking neat, balanced, confident, and comfortable in your own presence. I hope this video helped you discover small ways to feel a little more polished and elegant in your everyday life. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a comment or even just a small emoji. It really helps the channel grow, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for spending your time here today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.